Hello there, and welcome to this Bailey House Motors video of this low mileage for age late 2014 Suzuki Splash. Last owner for over 4 years. Fantastic service history with the same dealership. It's just had a new clutch, new rear tyres, new brake pads for the MOT and a new battery. Drives well, a very nice, tidy, clean car. We'll go for a little walk around it. Nice and straight around the rear. Actually, if you look closely, you can still see the manufacturing paint marks on the edges of the rear tyres. Straight on the roof, and again straight down this side. A really nice tidy example. And also worth noting is these engines do not have a cam belt. They're on a timing chain, so there's no cam belt to worry about. Right, we'll have a quick look inside now. Clean and tidy boot area. Parcel shelf present. Underneath is a storage box, and underneath that lives a spare wheel and tools underneath the spare wheel. Nice and clean inside. 5 seats, electric front windows, electric mirrors, power steering, height adjustable driver's seat, 5-speed manual gearbox, radio, leather steering wheel. And a nice and clean engine bay. So there you have it. I hope you like what you see. If you do and you're interested, feel free to give me a call. Thanks for watching.